welcome back. Look what we got, in-car entertainment. We're gonna swap out. Now hold on, give me a second because this looks crazy. But I'm redoing all of this consoling. So I figured let me just get the radio while I'm in here. But yeah, this Alpine radio is from like the early 2000s. Not held in by anything. Haven't taken it out. Look at that. Wow, no connectors at all. The thing doesn't even turn on when the car turns on. So yeah, we're about to redo all this. As I go deeper and deeper into this vehicle, I figure more and more things out that are just terribly done. But yeah, I bought this, so it's my it's my deal now. That's fun. It's my first time seeing this. Basically, this radio doesn't even power up when the car goes on. You have to press it to turn it on. Apparently, it drains the battery of the car, so they disconnected it. I don't think they connected it right at all. So that's what I'm under the impression of. I also don't know if this radio came with a wiring harness, because this is crazy. You just got, this is not right. This is not right at all. Remote out, remote in. Oh, this is so wrong. Anyway, this radio is from the early 2000s. It doesn't even have Bluetooth. They had a dongle that you would connect to these back in the day to give it Bluetooth. Doesn't have any brackets to hold it in either, so that's cool. But we'll figure it out. We'll see. Bye. Actually, we'll pick up in a second. I'm going to take this off. This. That is, what is that? I don't know what that is. Is that like a receiver? Maybe it is a Bluetooth dongle that they have aftermarket. It is! Oh, that's worth some money. Alright, cool. They probably didn't wire it up properly, so that's double cool. Never seen one of these before. We'll have to look into that more. Not normal. That's not normal for sure. All these connections, look at this. That's it. That was all that was holding that together. It was just electrical tape. Oh, I hate to see it. I really did. What's this? Got a little GPS situation coming on here. GPS. Let's get them out of here. For a good retro radio, I think I could sell this for like $50. You know, like as a old retro style, or I just throw it out because it's a piece of junk. Relic. Look at this one. 30 pin. That's crazy. This radio's been in here for all of its. They probably bought this brand new as well. Alright, so we got a microphone. That's cool. We got antennas. 2? That's strange. And we got our connections, which we will check out all of them. We'll look at a diagram really quick and take a look. See if we can get this properly done in record time. I love doing this stuff, so I don't doubt it for a second. It's really just color to color, matching. Sometimes it's not matching. We got our Chinyen radio. It's not actually Chinyen, it's called Eonon. 7 inches across. It's got all the wiring up here. I'll take a picture of that. And then it should come with a little, oh my god, it came with snacks. See what came in the box here. User manual. This thing has Apple CarPlay wireless. That is the beauty of living in the Lord's year of 2025. see what we got here. Looks like we got to unpin all this because it's not connecting to that. That's already, they just spliced everything off, so I have to unpin this to connect to that. That's gonna be annoying, but I could just cut it, put it on. As far as the radio itself, let me see if this thing will fit in here actually. That might be a big thing. It actually is not meant to fit in here, it's meant to fit inside here. But this, I may have to cut out a little bit. Yeah, I'll have to cut it out a little bit to fit it properly. We got grounds that are not even grounded. This is unheard of. Okay, this is this is a speaker. Speaker wasn't even connected. Just do a little one of these. Expose. That might be enough. It's red. We got a brown. I'm pretty sure brown is like a ground. Yoink. There, let me look at this wiring harness that was here. We got... What a mess, dude. What a freaking mess. Get that out of my face. I can't even stand it. This is ridiculous too. I can't even get out of here. I need a clean working area. I need to think about this. What they did is chop this off, so that doesn't make anything easy. But I've done this in Japanese cars, so it's fine. Japanese trucks the same. Look, bro, I'm gonna do it by myself. Leave me alone. Hey, hi, welcome back. I never finished the video, but it's finished. I put the radio in. Took me a while, though. Also, the car is still in timeout. I haven't touched it in a week. This, I redid. Looks like crap, because I was touching it while I was putting it on. It kind of wasn't dry. That sucks. This is finished. I had to cut out a little of the bezel here. It's fine, looks okay. We got wireless Apple CarPlay. I'm listening to some rock. What do I have? It's pretty good. I'm very pleased with this. I also don't drive the car because I've been angry at it the whole time. Also, I tried to reprogram these fobs. You get them on like eBay for $10. But come to find out, when I open the door, it doesn't know I'm opening the door. So either the switch is bad or we have a deeper issue. This thing's got a lot of issues. This thing's got a lot of issues. I am finding out. But, well, I got cool little mats. Things are kind of looking okay. This needs to be changed. I have up and coming thermostat needs to go in, and a new O2 sensor needs to go in, as well as oil change needs to be done. So I guess this week I will be touching the car again, but I have not registered it as of yet, so it's still sitting. But it's coming along. Thanks for joining. This was fun. Why is it telling me I want to go to the dollar store? I don't go to the dollar store. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got nothing else going on, really. I was supposed to do oil changes today. It started pouring. Mind you, it's been a week since I put the radio in. Whole bunch of wires. It was crazy. I figured it out. I started at like 5 o'clock. I finished at like 9. My phone was at like 2% battery, and I just couldn't be bothered to pick up the camera, so I didn't. But thanks for watching. Thanks for, watching. This is really nice of you. Goodbye.